Linguistics is the study of language and its structure. There are subdisciplines of linguistics. These include syntax, phonetics, phonology, semantics, pragmatics, and of course, morphology. Language has hierarchical structures. This means that it is made up of units which are smaller units till we have the smallest indivisible unit. At morphological level, we study morphology. In this context, we'll look at the topic morphology in more detail. So what is morphology? Morphology is another important subdiscipline of linguistics. Morphology studies the structure of words. It specifically examines how words are formed by putting together morphemes. A morpheme is the smallest grammatical and meaningful unit of a language. Different languages have different morphemes and different rules about the formation of words. There are kinds of morphemes. Letter A. Free morphemes. Free morphemes can occur alone. Examples: the word lock, manage, attack, and etc. There are two categories of free morphemes. Number 1, lexical or open morphemes. This first category is that set of ordinary nouns, adjectives, adverbs which we think of as words which carry the content of a message we convey. Example of the word boy, white, and right. Number 2 is a functional, closed, or grammatical morphemes. This set consists largely of the functional words in the language such as conjunctions, prepositions, article, and pronouns. Examples were the word and, but, the, and that. Letter B. The bound morphemes. Bound morphemes cannot normally stand alone, but which are typically attached to another form. Bound morphemes are divided into two types. Number 1, prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to make another word. In the words unhappy, an is a prefix added to happy. Number 2, suffix. A suffix, on the other hand, is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to make another word. The suffix ness added to the end of the word lazy creates another new word, which is laziness. Bound morphemes can be divided further into two categories called derivational and inflectional morphemes. Derivational morphemes are morphemes that are added to the base form of a word to create a new word. Example 1. Able to ability. Able is an adjective and ability is a noun. Send to sender. Send is a verb and sender is a noun. Example 2. Use, misuse. Use is a stable word and misuse is unstable. Meaning is totally changed. As seen from these examples, adding a derivational morpheme will change either the meaning or the class of the word. The inflectional morphemes, on the other hand, are a type of bound morphemes that do not change or cause a change in the meaning or word class. They serve as grammatical markers and indicate some grammatical information about the word. Examples are the word laugh is a past tense, cats is a plural, and swimming progressive. Thus, inflectional morphemes do not change meanings or parts of speech, but instead simply make minor grammatical changes necessary for agreement with other words.